Welcome to this channel. We are your personal house whisperers. We have dedicated this channel to educate the first-time homebuyer to use this source as a helpful guide through this complicated process. As licensed home inspectors, we've seen firsthand how first-time home buyers can be caught off guard by unexpected expenses if they don't know what to look for. This channel will help you make wiser decisions for your investment. In this chapter, exteriors.
When viewing a property, it's important to be a detective as this is a potential investment. Let's focus on the exterior of the property. Take the time to walk the exterior. You want to look up and down as you walk around the house. Here are some things to look for. Slope. Check if the ground slopes away or towards the house. If the ground slopes to the house, it could be a problem during heavy rains. Structure. Here's how you tell the difference between a wood frame and a block frame. Look at the windows. If the windows are flush to the exterior wall, it's a wood frame. If the windows are inset with a windowsill, then it's a block frame. Note that most second-story constructions are wood frame with the first floor being a block frame. Also, if it is a wood frame on the first floor, you will want to have it inspected for termites before closing. Siding. There are a multitude of sidings that we can't cover them all today. But we'll focus mostly on stucco today. When stucco loses its bond to the wall, it's really obvious. Now, take your bare hand and slide it against the exterior wall. If the paint is chalky and it looks like this, then it needs a new paint job at your expense. Hairline cracks are common and are easily repaired when painted. These are very common near windows. However, look for larger cracks that you could fit a coin in could be a potential problem, especially if they are horizontal in nature. Check the caulking at all the windows. Is it deteriorated? If so, this is an inexpensive fix. Soffits. Soffits are part of the roofing system that allow the attic and roof to breathe. Are any of them missing or dislodged? This could be a way for pests to enter the house. Doors. Check the base of the door's wood frame. This is the most common place for wood decay. And speaking of wood decay, it's very easily recognized. Don't be afraid to poke your finger into it. Anywhere there is wood, there can be wood decay. We hope this helps to give you a better understanding of exteriors. Always hire a home inspector before closing. There will be more videos to come, so subscribe and stay tuned.
We have other videos that you can find here to better educate you before you make this important investment. Join us in our mission to empower first-time homebuyers and rebuild the middle class in America by subscribing today. By becoming a subscriber, not only will you benefit from valuable insights and guidance to navigate the complex process of buying a home, but you'll also be supporting others on their journey to achieving the American dream. Together, we can make a difference and create a brighter future for generations to come. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be a part of something truly impactful. Subscribe now and let's build a better tomorrow, one homebuyer at a time.